Good morning everyone, welcome to my Kids channel. My name is Mark and today we have another video. Thank you for everyone who support me. The channel actually going grow up so crazy, so I'm thinking like to continue, give it to you all my experience, all what I learn. I like a normal person who like try to help specifically like the students or like the normal people who like want to start uh at the stocks, like like what you see, like I put like $1,000 only. I'm a student, so I'm trying to get like more money from like any resource, and I actually like stocks. So here's my experience. If you would like to start, go ahead. Like I motivate you to start on the stocks. And today I'm actually gonna give it to you another stock which is good alternative to NIO. If you are investing in NIO, invest on the second one that I will give it to you today, because both of them work at the same industry and both of them from China, and both of them they make cars and grow so fast. Look at NIO today. NIO today went like 3%, almost 3%, 2.9. But look what I'm gonna talk about today. It calls XPeng. Okay, XPeng now at one day they go up 12%. Why 12%? I heard yesterday they make a contract with Tesla. They make too many things and they producing actual cars. They have a cars, not like saying we will. No, they do have a cars, and they do have the industry as NIO. And yeah, it's $53 right now. Look, all the time, keep moving upward. So look, they're going down all of this point, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna turn back to 72 soon. So if you didn't start to invest in it, that's a good chance. Like, I'm not a financial expert, but it looks like that. All the industry is going up, and the company actually, look, about 5 years. They started with 23. They started with more money than NIO. Remember, NIO was like 1.5 or something like that. They started with 23. They have more money than NIO. Yeah, NIO now is grow up more, but yeah, this one is like with NIO and Tesla. There's a manufacturer of the electric car at China, so I think it's a good chance to invest on it. If you didn't start on it, that's a good chance. I'm not sure 12% to good start to buy it from at this point, but I think they go down a lot. So if you didn't start, I think now is good. It was better to get it from the last week where it was red, where it was like 50 or 48, I think. Yeah, 49. That was a that's a good price to get. But anyway, you still at the point that they're gonna grow up. I'm telling you, they're gonna go to 72 soon. That's the first case, like to turn back to the same point they want. Okay, that is for today. If you have any question, write it below at the comments. If you have any concern about what I say, like, do you think this comment is so bad, let me know. Write it at the comment. We'll share the information together, and have a great day, guys.